Many of you have asked about converting drawings or sketches into consistent 3D characters. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to achieve this if your drawing is on paper. Remember to scan it first. This method applies to any kind of drawing. Follow along in the tutorial for excellent results. If you find value in this video, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing to help others find it. Let's dive in. The first step is to convert our sketch or drawing into a 3D model. And for that, we'll be using a tool called Chrome AI. Click on Sketch Rendering. And click here to upload your sketch you want converted. Now click on Generate. Convert your sketch into image. This is the result, but it doesn't seem satisfactory. Adjustments need to be made to the settings, and the outcome should be reviewed again. So, I scroll down and click on Setting. There are various options available here that allow you to create your desired visual effects by adjusting them. In the Style section, I choose the realistic option. I don't make any changes in the scene and mode sections, but you can make the desired adjustments in these areas. And put this one and click on Generate. They seem all right, but they don't meet our desired outcome. We need to continue making adjustments in the settings to achieve our desired result. One crucial aspect that can aid in making changes is writing a good prompt with details like this one, Anime Style Girl. And change setting style to anime transitional. And choose this one, woman. This is look good, and this is good. I click on Generate. This is a good and acceptable result, but I want to make some minor changes and repeat the process once more. That sounds good. I like this. For the consistent character, we're going to be using Leonardo AI. So just go over to Image Generation, and you're going to change the aspect ratio to match with our character's aspect ratio. We're also going to choose our style as 3D animation style, and now we're going to go. over to image guidance, and you're going to hit upload, and now you'll be able to upload the image that you want to use for our image guidance. So once that's done, the next thing that you need to do is just input a prompt, and now we are going to adjust the strength of our image, and now we'll just go ahead and hit generate. So let's just go ahead and see what kind of results.